Oops.
7 raise and away. 7 by 5.
Man, I wish I could be anything just like 35 and 36.
Super rectangle. Quintuple 7s. Septuple 5s.
I'm also 35 once.
Oh, you scared me.
Oh, sorry 91.
Oops.
Weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 thirtens. I probably deserved it.
Oopsie. Sorry, 90 and 1. I won't say your name again.
It's okay. Now tell me 35. Have you ever tried multiples?
Well, just this once.
35.
Plus.
35 plus
35.
equals 105.
I am 105.
And I am.
And I am
100.
And 5. Listen. If you keep making compound numbers, I'm gonna freak out like a weirdo.
Not to worry 90 and 1. 21 says, it's easier to think of big numbers as two numbers together.
Let's see what else we can make.
3 35s. You can put 7 times 15.
Or maybe this.
That is very lucky. 15 sevens.
Or this. 21 5s. High 5.
Otis. Hush, hush. 7 15s.
105 is also 14 steps.
Gasp. You've figured yourself out.
I am 105. And I am the 14th step squad. Simply, I am triple 35s, and I love to be a lucky step squad.
Wow.
Get ready. Here comes something bigger.
Plus
105.
210.
Equals.
315.
대예요.
Are you okay?
How many times do shibibis have to make compound numbers? How many times?
Wait, I think I know how to figure myself out. After 315 got figured out.
I am 315 and I love to juggle. 105, 210, 315.
Wow. I found out so much about you. 315. I wish I could be like you.
At least everyone figured themselves out, so they already exist. Also, make a cute number like I've never seen before.
Okay then. 15 times 35 equals
525. I am 525. I am a very happy number block. Unfortunately, if you're a number block, it is hard to make shapes like us. I'm too tall for the camera because I am 500s, 2 10s, and 5 1s. 35 is 3 10s and 5 1s, 105 is 100, 0 10s, and 5 1s, and 315 is 300s, 1 10, and 5 1s.
Phew. I think I had enough multiplying because if I multiply myself with any times, 91 will be super triggered if she saw any compound. I think it's about it. I must be going now. Tally ho.
Hello. High five to the side. Up above. Down below. Run around. Too slow. High five to the side. Up above. Down below. Run around. Too slow. High five to the side. Up above. Down below. Run around. Too slow. Uh-oh. Up above. And down below. Uh-oh. Look out.
Who said that?
Why does it always have to be me? Why? Oh. Why? Oh. Why?
I'm sorry 90 and 1. I won't do this again.
Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna have an upgrade and a brand new shape. So this is what I look like when I have a new look. So bye bye. And however, Mine work will fit perfectly in the credits.